Hi, I'm Arlene from Sweet Arlene's here in Westlake Village, California. And today I have with me my executive pastry chef, Julia.
Hi!
When you're running short on time, but you really want a homemade dessert for your family or friends, semi-homemade cupcakes are just the perfect choice. Don't you think, Julia?
Absolutely. It's a great way to capture homemade, but not all the steps.
Okay, so we're going to show you one recipe that we've chosen, which is a coconut lemon cupcake. And it starts with just a box of any brand, classic yellow cake mix. We are also going to use pudding and pie filling. In this case, it's lemon to get the lemon flavor.
And that's just the powder, not prepared.
Great, thank you. And we're going to also add a little lemon dye to that, a little food coloring to it, just to give it a little bit more of a lemon color. So this recipe is extremely easy. We're going to mix all of our cake ingredients together. We would typically start with the classic yellow cake mix. We would add the additional pudding and pie mix. That is again a instant pudding and pie mix using lemon. We would add our oil, our vegetable oil, our coconut milk to give it that coconut flavor, 3 eggs in this case, and again a little bit of lemon dye to that, food coloring to that if you choose. Once that's all mixed, you're going to bake it. Normal cupcakes typically take about 20-22 minutes in the 350-degree oven. And your lemon coconut semi-homemade cupcakes are going to look like this.
Yeah.
So they are beautiful. Now in this recipe, we've also chosen to use a little addition to some store-bought icing. And in this case, Julia, I picked up the whipped cream icing. I thought it'd be a nice balance. And we could add a little coconut extract to this.
Right, folding those two together will create a little bit special of a icing, and then that can be treated just like any icing to ice the actual cupcakes. Now the look that we're going for here is going to be a combination of toasted coconut and not toasted coconut.
Okay.
We use unsweetened coconut, but you can use sweetened since it's a little easier to find. So go ahead and dump that right on top, kind of swirl it around.
All right.
And then as soon as I ice these, we're going to kind of roll it in there like we do our coconut snowball.
Okay,
ready?
Sounds good. That's a great mixture.
Yeah, and then with a very light hand. You don't want to push hard here. You're just going to kind of dab it in. Make sure you get all the spots, and boom. How's that?
It looks beautiful, Julia.
If you want a variation, you can just kind of ice it like we do here with our classic 3-tier swirl.
And then just sprinkle it on top.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a little less.
Great. Well, these look like they are homemade, but they are actually semi-homemade here with Arlene and Julia at Sweet Arlene's. Thank you for joining us and enjoy.